In this video we're going to see how to convert from the logarithmic form of a mathematical statement into an exponential form. Now, both forms are statements that say the same things, they just use different styles of math to do so. So we're going to see how to change between one style of math, from one style of math to the other. Now, before we do this, we're going to use this little piece of knowledge. When we see something like log, just draw on this for a second, log of c to the base a equals a, that's what we have on this side. This is the logarithmic form. Log of log of c to the base b equals a. That means it's an equivalent form of saying b to the a equals c. So we're going to have to recognize this pattern and apply it to the questions that we're given. Okay, so let's take the first one, a. So we have log of x to the base 3 equals 7. And if we follow the pattern here, well, the b, compare now this statement, compare this statement to this one here. Okay, so the b is down here, so that's 3. So we're going to have b to the a equals c. So our b is 3. 3 to the a. The a is over here on the right hand side. So in this case, that's going to be the 7. So 3 to the 7 is equal to the bit that's left, is the c. And c was the bit in here, which is x. So we have 3 to the power of 7 equals x. So that's the conversion there. Okay, let's move on to part B. This is a different question. These questions aren't related to each other. So we have log of 64 to the base 4 equals 3. And if we go to rewrite this now, we start off with our b, that was the base, which is 4 to the power of b to the power of a. A was the number that was on its own over here, so 4 to the power of 3 equals the c. C was the bigger number after the log, so 64. Okay, so that's what we have. And in both cases we've gone from log forms to exponential forms. Again, this is going to be very much pattern recognition. You practice it with lots and lots of different problems until you recognize the pattern and you're familiar with it, and you can copy it accurately without making any mistakes. Okay, thank you.